Hi, this is Ricky from PreschoolSpeechyPlus.com, and this is my new boom card set for later sounds. I also have one for earlier sounds. The road trip to School Artic, and there's recording. You can record voices. There's some audio, and these are all the sounds that I include. And the different sounds, there's a different sound for each page, and you move the car on the road by the playground next to the school, and the car disappears, and then the child says the word like. All the words are down here so you know which words to say, and then there's a title.
I like the color.
There's a carrier phrase for every page, and they can fill this in. I like the color blue. And what you could also do is record it. I like the color blue. I like the color blue. And then you can move all the cars next to the school, and there's a horn honk, and there's blends. There's as I said,
I got a big.
There are carrier phrases on every page, and I love to include a short phrase to go along with words. I don't just work on words. I like to work on integrating that motor sequencing, which is so important for many of our children. R has 3 pages for vocalic R, initial medial R, and R blends. And then they get to put together an ice cream cone with sprinkles and at the end there's a you did it page with a cheer sound.